Are you ready to unlock the immense power of artificial intelligence to create passive income streams in 2025? Even if you have absolutely zero coding experience, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll reveal 3 simple, beginner-friendly ways you can start making money with AI, right from your laptop. Let's dive in! First up, AI-powered content creation. This is huge. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper AI can generate high-quality written content in seconds. Think blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, even entire ebook outlines. You don't need to be a professional writer. The AI does the heavy lifting. Here's how to make money with it. You can offer your content creation services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Businesses are always looking for fresh content. Or, you can use AI to rapidly create content for your own affiliate marketing blog, driving traffic and earning commissions. Imagine generating a month's worth of social media posts in an hour. Next, let's talk about AI art and digital product sales. AI image generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo AI are game changers. With a few simple text prompts, you can create unique, stunning visuals that previously took hours for graphic designers. The money-making potential? Sell these AI-generated images as digital prints on Etsy. Create designs for print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. You can even upload them to stock photo websites and earn royalties every time someone downloads your art. The market for unique digital assets is booming, and AI makes it accessible to everyone. Finally, and this is one of our favorites, AI-assisted YouTube automation, specifically for faceless channels like this one. You don't need to be on camera to build a successful YouTube channel. AI can help with nearly every step. Think about it. AI can write your video scripts, generate realistic voiceovers using text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs, and even assist with basic video editing or generating visuals. You can create channels in virtually any niche, from educational content and fact videos to meditation guides and historical insights, all without ever showing your face. The monetization comes from YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing within your niche, and even selling your own digital products. There you have it! 3 incredibly easy ways beginners can start leveraging AI to make money in 2025. No coding required. The future of income is here, and it's powered by AI. If you're excited to dive deeper into these strategies and discover even more ways to automate your earnings, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Bot Business Tips channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'll be breaking down how to pick the perfect niche for your AI-powered faceless YouTube channel. What AI tool are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below.